Hey guys! So I just wanted to share with you the best way to lose weight quickly. Not too long ago, I was in the same exact situation as you may be in right now, looking for a weight loss diet plan or system that actually works. I didn't have enough time to go to the gym every day, and eating healthy food all the time was just a hassle, not to mention expensive. First of all, I have awful genetics. My whole family is overweight, so I knew it wasn't going to be easy to lose the weight. I talked to my doctor a few times, and the first couple of times he just told me stuff that I already knew. But soon enough, he finally introduced me to this system. It's called the Fat Loss Factor, and it's known for working, period. And the best part is that you're not required to spontaneously change up your lifestyle. You don't have to make any dramatic changes to your life to lose weight, and it works fast. You'll start noticing your weight loss within the first week. When I started losing weight, I was seriously so happy. I've been recommending my friends to this system constantly, and it's the same reason I'm making this video. If you're serious about losing weight quickly, do yourself a favor and check out the link in the description. You have nothing to lose.